Okay, here we are back on the site. Donnie from Donnie D's Tile Remodeling. We're doing here is we're building some showers at a Schluter kerdi, and right now we came back to the job. Right now I'm putting the inside corners, but this is going to apply for any type of Schluter kerdi application. First thing you want to do is get a nice premium unmodified thin set. You want to make sure it's loose, okay? That's on the loose side. You want to have a little shine to it. And make sure it's loose. The consistency of the thin set is real important, especially when it comes to hanging this kerdi, because it's like a wallpaper. You want to make sure you get good coverage so it stays bonded. So nice and loose. And I'm going to show you how we like to do inside corners. We're just using a scrap piece of kerdi. You can use this or a kerdi band. Either one will work. But we pre-crease them. There's a nice corner to it. Just going to keep a nice corner, or you can just wrap it like we did this side. Make a plumb line over here, wrap it around, push it in with your finger real good. So I'm going to show you how we like to do this side. First thing you want to do is get it on there. Grab your flat side of your trowel. This is a Schluter kerdi trowel.
Close.
Schluter kerdi trowel, 1/8 by 1/8. Feed in first. This ensures a good bond. You could go with the knot side right away, but the bond is definitely not going to be as good. So I just like to take this extra step. A lot of guys say it's not important. Well, when it comes to the waterproofing, you don't want to take any chances. And it works in any type of tile installation using thin set. You know it's going to be well bonded with. You don't have any clumps anywhere and no collapsed ridges. Make sure you got full ribs at thin set.
Yeah, I was going to say get it tight.
Full ribs at thin set there, nothing collapsed. So you got just the right amount of thin set. So for example, right there, that's collapsed. So you're going to want to add just a little bit right there. We know we're good. Then what I like to use is just an old drywall knife. I believe it's an 8 or 10 inch right here. And the edge is a little bit rounded, so you definitely won't poke the kerdi. If you do make a hole in it, you're going to have a nightmare trying to find where that hole is. It fits. So just be careful. Start from about a little bit off the top, because if you start from the top, I didn't want to crease in on it. So if you want to just work it in slow. Come up on the bottom. Same thing on this side. That's good. Make sure you get all that excess off. Okay, that's ready. Same process. Now with any type of kerdi, you want to make sure you have a 2-inch overlap. Now with this bend, from here to here, that's your factory edge, that's 2 inches. So we're more than enough here, so I'm just going to hold it tight to the top. Roughly tight. Same process, a little bit up. Right there. Once you get this embedded in thin set, it actually will stretch the kerdi a little bit. You want to have a little bit of play going each way. Get the inside real good with your finger, top to bottom, same process. Drywall knife, clean off the edge of your trowel. I do a lot of drywall, so I'm kind of experienced with that, so I like using this way, this method. Get that all off of there. Same Same thing, start from this side, down. One more time, down. Same thing over here. Get it off the trowel. Now from the top, I like to just go this way coming up. At least the first pass, come up this way. We know that's embedded, right? So we start from the top. And come all the way down. Hit it one more time, make sure it's embedded. Same thing over here. Now I'm holding the knife tight to this corner, tight to the inside. Because if you're off it, you're going to be making a bubble here. So you want it all the way to the corner. It's not going to poke because it's sitting on the edge of it right there. Plus these are rounded, so you're right tight to there. You see how I come down, sitting like that. And it keeps that tight, the inside corner nice and tight without destroying the curry. That's good. Get any excess out. This process will apply to any type of Schluter kerdi installation to make sure it's embedded wall, make sure your thin set consistency is nice and loose, and that's it. Make sure you have a nice 2-inch overlap and you have 100% waterproof installation. Thanks for tuning in.